Welcome to the ALS Compass app. In this tutorial, you will learn what each menu item in the ALS Compass app does and how it can streamline your sampling process. Upon opening the app, you'll be asked to log in. Enter your email address and password. Then, the app will prompt you to turn on location services and notifications. We recommend having these on at all times as it will ensure you get the most out of the ALS Compass app. Once logged in, you will see the My Projects screen. The triple line icon in the top left-hand corner is where you will find the main menu. All primary tasks will be conducted through these menu items. My Projects is where all sampling projects are located and where a new project can be created. Project Info is where you can view and edit the details you entered when creating a project. View allows you to view any active chain of custodies for that project or create a new chain of custody. Quotes is where a project manager will find all active quotes created by ALS, including quote number and validity. View Quote will show a PDF of the quote for you to review. To create a new project, you will need to select a valid quote. If you are a project manager and have turned on Review of COC required when creating a project, Completed COCs is where you will find the chain of custody for review after a sampler has submitted it. You can also view all previously completed COCs, which will provide information such as the quote ID, date it was last updated, how many sample points there were, and the sampler responsible. Manage Team is where a project manager can send invitations to samplers on their team to use the app. Once a sampler has been registered by ALS, they will become active users. The Pocket Guide gives you a detailed description of each sample bottle and highlights important information for sample collection, such as available container sizes, preservation details, and holding times. You can cycle through the bottles using the arrow or return to the index to continue your search. My Account is where you will find your profile details and where you can log out of your account. If you choose to disable notifications and location services when first logging in, this is where you can turn them back on. The final item to take note of is the Terms of Use. It is important that you take the time to read the Terms of Use carefully and contact ALS with any questions you might have relating to the use of the app.